Now this illustration deals with using a lockout type device. In accordance with 70E 120.3C3A through C. Now the purpose of the change, as you see here, this section was revised to align 70E with OSHA 1910.333B23IE. My, what a section. So the standards will include the same requirements where a lock and tagout procedure is applied. Now, for a while, 70E lined up more with I think it was Dow Chemicals lock and tagout procedure, then DOE, and they just basically wanted them all to have the same type of requirements. And then notice the disconnect should be capable of being locked in the open position as required in OSHA 1910.147, C as in car 2, 3I. And then for cord and plug connected, then notice there's an exception here to 120.4A4 to 70E on page 22 that says no, as long as the electrician has the attachment cap in their possession or in a basket locked, then that would be okay. But now there are certain rules when you just use a lock, and notice to use a lock without a tag, no tag, the following conditions shall be complied with before you could perform such just using a lock. Only one circuit or piece of equipment is de-energized, working with one piece of equipment. The lockout period does not extend beyond the work shift. What is a work shift? Well, like up on the slope of Alaska, for example, they work from 7 to 7, so their work shift is 12 hours. In some plants, it may be just 8 hours. Other plants, you may be working 10 hours a day, 4 days a week, and off 3. It just depends on management, how they want to, hour-wise, provide you with a shift. Now, employees exposed to hazards associated with re-energizing the circuit or equipment are familiar with this procedure. And basically, we don't re-energize something if it could affect other employees. We let them know exactly what's going on with this lockout procedure. Now, notice we should review very carefully when we're using just a lock 120.5CA through C on page 21 of the 70E standard. So this illustration is dealing with using a lockout device only in accordance with the requirements of 120.3CA through C.